You know what that is?
Who's that?
Papa, Papa, pay attention. You know what he's doing?
What is that?
The statue of John Huston.
Oh.
He's sitting and thinking like this.
Thinking man.
That's
What?
what he's doing. That's why, right?
Take Kitty over to Grandma, honey. Take Kitty over to Abuelita.
The kid.
Oh.
Oh, that's my boy. Show the camera what John does. What does Juan do?
Yeah. That's right.
What does Jamie do?
What?
No,
Oh,
no.
we're going to put our feet on the table?
Yeah. He wants to put his... That's all right. You can put your feet on the table, too. There you go. All right. Relax.
Okay? That's not going to work so good. Oh, you can't sit on the table. That's a no-no. That's a no-no. Take me a ride. Want a ride? Give me a pussy. Give me a pussy. Look at mommy. Smile for the camera. That's enough, Susie.
No, just forget about it.
Okay. No more. No.
Get your kitty. Get your
That's
kitty.
a no-no.
Where's your car? Go get your car, mommy.
Okay. Bye. Adios.
Adios.
Mommy,
Where'd you go? Where'd you go?
where's your car, honey? Room? Run. Run to the car. Let's see Jamie run. Hurry up. 1, 2, 3, 4.
Oh, I missed him the whole way.
Missed him?
I missed him the whole way.
All right, come back.
Come back. Aye, all right. There he goes again.
Stop running.
Okay.
Let's see what we have here. Oh, I found the lighter that was missing. It's a card to Le Bistro. Some glasses. Oh, these I can't give you because these are, I have to see. What's this? Morgan and Cooper Auto Body. Oh, this I need. Well, put it in a pile, okay? No, fold it up. Fold it up. So you have it like that. Like, we can get rid of this. 1 dozen cans of tennis balls. This can get out with. Well done. Oh, I think they want me to save this.
Muy importante.
It's me! Yeah. Okay, we have to save that though. We'll put that with the tickets, okay? This is trash. It's a calendar! 2 bags of cashew and raisin granola. Yeah, put that there. Okay. And put this there. Oh, look. Money. Money. That's my wallet.
Real
Oh, that's
money.
not- That's not
Real money.
Hello. Hello.
Yeah.
Hello.
No.
Look at that lady over there. I guess the rest of this is trash. Look at all these candles. These candles. Jeez. Yeah. Do you know how to throw things in the trash? Do you? Can you deal with the trash? Okay, listen. What I want, can you go throw all this in the garbage? Okay, throw this away. Throw this all away. Hold it tight, or fall apart. Okay? Throw that away.
Yay, Jamie!
Thank you very much.
What are you mumbling about over here?
Good over there. You did really good. Look at all the colors. We got red. Yes. Wait, that just. What color is that? You have to turn it. Pink. Yeah. Give me another one. Okay. Another one. Okay, what's that? Turn it. wait, will you make it really pretty? Okay, now look in the camera. Look in the camera and go like this.
You should have seen once when I put him in a dress. Oh,
Oh,
isn't it
good!
beautiful?
That'd be great. What color is this? It's too dark for you. It's not your color, dear. This is, I think we're going to have to throw this one away. No, there's still some in there. This one, you throw away, huh? This is trash. Okay, okay, what's this? Ooh, that's pretty.
Wow, muchos, huh, Jamie?
I don't know where I've got these are red. Yeah, we're doing good. Okay. Now, put all the stuff there. Oh, you want to see? This is the pencil. Here. See?
Lindsay, show me. Show me. Give me a kiss.
Throw kisses. Throw kisses. What?
Oh. Okay. Say bye.
Bye. Bye.